Hello. In this video, we're going to learn how to integrate ClickUp with HubSpot. First, you'll want to click on Create. Then select Zaps. Give it a moment to load the content. Once it's loaded, you'll need to click on Trigger. After that, select ClickUp from the search menu. Next, choose the event trigger that suits your needs. Then click on Continue. You'll need to select the workspace. After you have made your choice, click on Continue. Now click on Test Trigger. Wait for the content to load, then click on Skip Test. Click on Continue again. Here you'll need to choose HubSpot from the search results. In this part, you'll need to add the action event based on your requirements. Then click on Continue. Now you can see the option list names. Click on 3 dots in that Select Custom option. Then enter a name that meets your needs. Then enter proper email ID and click on Continue. Next, click on Test Setup. Then click on Skip Test. Once everything is ready, click on Publish. Now you can see the pop-up. ClickUp is integrated with HubSpot. Thank you.